Guys, welcome back. This will be my first product review video of 2024. Now I got this 30 color set from Swatched last September, and I've been saving the packaging and everything because I wanted to do a review and I finally got the time to do it. So 30 colors, they are beautiful. It comes with a top coat, gel, a glossy top coat, a matte top coat, and also a base coat. Now I've already done my nails. I'm doing square this time. I use all the methods that I normally use, which is my peel off base, my gel X, dehydrate, everything. I've already done that, and we're just gonna go right into the gels. Now I already placed the base coat. They called it the foundation gel in the kits, but I'm presuming it's just a base coat that they're calling the foundation gel, and I'm using this color here. It's kind of like a peach. It is B15. It's like a peachish color. I'm going in with that as my base color. We're going with the spring vibes today again, until we reach Somerset, so I'm going in with that. Off the bat, it's kind of chalky, to tell you the truth. I was wondering if it was coming out like that because I realized that my base probably wasn't as smooth as it should have been. It seems that my nail needed to be wiped off before I did the base coat. I'm presuming that's what it is, but overall the gel itself seems to be a bit chalky. It is a pretty color, and I realized that normally with these colors it's kind of hard to get the consistency right with these kind of colors. And this is what we're looking at with my first coat on. As you can see, it's not the best, it's not the smoothest, so I figured I went in off camera and I buffed it with 100 grit, and then I also used one of those, the white sanding buffers, to see if I could get it a bit smooth. And then I'm going back in with another coat of the same gel, B15. I want to say it's like a peach. Yeah, it's like a peachish color, and I went in with 3 coats of this to actually make them look good on camera. With just 2 coats, it actually looks good, to be honest, but in person when I hold it to my face, I did not like how it looks. I went in with 3 coats of this color to kind of build it up and get it as smooth as I wanted. You could see 3 coats on my 4 fingers there. My pinky only have the first color, but I went ahead and fixed that off camera to save battery and space time. Now we're going in with one of the glitter gels that comes with the set. I believe I counted about 4 or 5 glitter gels that come in the set, and this is the first one. This is B17. It's a purple. The glitters aren't chunky, they're fine grains. You could see them, you could probably feel them. So they're fine grains, they're not big, they're like fine grains, like sand. That's how they look to me. And I'm going in with that to do kind of an ombre with my ombre brush for 3 fingers. We're just making up a design today, and I'm going in. After I've done that, I did have 2 coats of this purplish glitter color. Off camera, as you can see there, my pinky, I covered my entire pinky and thumb with it because I really did not like this color at all, so I covered everything. And I'm going in with a deep French here on my middle finger. I haven't done French in such a long time that I'm out of practice. I really need to start doing some more Frenches so I could get back in the game, because once you lose it, oh my god, it's hard to catch it back. And if you've done Frenches before, you know what I'm speaking of. Like, French, I mean, it's cute, but oh my god, it takes some time. So yeah, and I'm doing a double French. as you can see here. After I got the first one down, the second one was a bit easier because, you know, it was coming back to me. So the second one was a bit easier to maneuver to get that second French line, as you can see there. Now we're going in with, I forgot to mention, the set also comes with 3 brushes. I got 3 brushes. This brush came in it. It's 3 of this same shape of brush, which is like, you know, these paint, it shapes like the brushes that you would get in a, if you did watercolor sets, you know, that's how it's shaped, like those watercolor brushes. I got 3 of them, 3 different sizes. I really like them because I was looking to get some brushes in this shape, so I'm happy that I got this with the set, and I'm using them to create my flowers. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are daisies. I think they're daisies. I could be wrong. I'm gonna check, and if it's not daisies, I will place the correct name of this flower in the video. So I marked out how I wanted, you know, the shape to go. I did a cross first, and then I just filled in the gaps between that so I could get a more proportioned looking flower, you know, so all the petals looked like they were even and weren't lopsided or lean. So I remembered I got this eyeshadow palette and I haven't tried it as of yet. So instead of going over the white with purple gel polish, I figured let me try purple eyeshadow and see what would happen. So that's what I did, and I must say that the eyeshadow took pretty well to the white gel. What I will recommend is that for the first nail, I wiped off the sticky layer. Don't wipe the sticky layer off. It will help to have the shadow adhere to the nail. So that's something I learned that I'll be correcting in my next video. And here's the finished look. It's quick, easy, you know, cute, something simple for the springtime if you want to have something done to your nails. And as it relates to my right hand, I'm growing them out. I have the rubber base on them. I'm trying it out to see what my nails would look like. And here are all 30 colors minus the top coat, base coat, and matte top coat. And here are the swatches. Now this is a pretty green, it's B21. The thing is, my camera doesn't show the colors as they truly are, because some of these colors, I have about 8 of them that I love. They're absolutely beautiful in person. You will see them soon, but the camera does not pick them up at all. Now, as it relates to the gels, do I recommend them for beginners? Because really and truly, this is a beginner set. To be honest, I mean, you could try it out if you want to test them out, because there really are some pretty colors in the set. But for the price point, I believe I paid like $25-$30 for this. Now I think it's at $35 on Amazon. Sometimes they go on sale, so you could check it out. I'll leave everything in the description if you're interested. But back to the gels, I really and truly, I didn't love them. Like, even the peach that I chose, I did not love that color. There are some pretty sets in there, but overall, I mean, it could pass. But my thing is, I don't know if you've seen me throughout the video like dipping and I'm wondering what's going on. Like, these are 8mm bottles, right? And the bottles don't have anything in them. I don't believe they're even half of the product in the bottles, because I've been fighting. I have to fight to get anything at all out. I've only used, out of this entire 30 set, I've only ever used 3 colors, and that was to do my Christmas nail that I did with a red undertone, that green on top, red undertone on the bottom, and then I did a press on set for one of my clients with one of the blues, and that's the only, and then I used another color for something else. And I had to be fighting to get the gel out of the bottle, because there really was not enough in it. I know it's a small bottle, but they don't fill the bottle. It's not even half, because you will see in some of my videos, I'm not sure if I passed one already, where I show you like the gel has settled, because I have it in the packaging and everything. So the gel has settled, and you could see there's a window at front where you could see inside it, and you could see that the gel is settled, and it's half. You could see like half the circle, because it's clear. Half of it has gel and half does not, because they did not, I don't know if it's just my set set that was botched like that, or if the entire line is like this, but there's nothing in the bottle. I'm scared to even use them because I can't use them to do personas for anyone. I'm gonna have to use them to do just nails for myself, because I don't think I'm gonna purchase this again, to be honest with you. Some of the colors are nice, but I didn't really love all of them. And then I'm scared I'm gonna get another set where half, like this is one where I'm showing you, like you could see inside, and this is the first I'm ever touching this color, ever. Like there's nothing in them. I have to be fighting to get something out. Like look at this. Look how long it took before anything actually came out of the bottle. Like I have to be fighting. There's nothing in them, and for $35, I'm disappointed, to be honest. Really disappointed. There's nothing in it. Let me know if you've had this experience before with Saviland products, because I've used their I've used their polygel before, and I didn't have this issue. I don't know what went wrong with this, and I saw another creator buy this. That's why I bought it, because I like the colors, but they don't seem to be the same as what she had, she didn't look like she was fighting to get anything out the bottle like I am. So yeah, I don't love it, but I don't hate it also, because there are really some pretty colors in there. I definitely do not like the glitters at all. They're not chunky, but the consistency, the formula for the glitters, they're just not mixed well, to be honest with you. They are just not mixed well, so I don't like it. This is one of the colors I love. Oh my god, it's like an orange mustard. It's beautiful. B30, absolutely beautiful. Then there are a couple neon colors like this one, which I'm not a fan. I mean, I guess you could use it, but I'm not a fan. This is a beautiful color also, but it's not one of my top 8s at all. So yeah, there are a couple good colors in them. I mean, you could risk it if you want to see, if you get a better product than I got. But yeah, this is my final color. This is beautiful also, but I thought it was a black, but it's actually like a dark green. So no black, no white was in this set. And here are my top 8 that I absolutely love. Beautiful. They actually had a lot of product in them, and they were pretty. They went on pretty well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Check out my other videos that I have posted so far in regards to how to clean your nails, some sets that I've done so far, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.